Hey guys, I'll be giving a breakdown of how I made $302 trading the Nasdaq on 6th October 2025. Let's start off with the daily time frame. We had our previous day high here, which was also the all-time high. Just write PH and ETH. And so let's come to a smaller time frame now. We had Asian low, we had London low. One thing that I could see right off the bat is that we had this 1 hour fair value gap which was already rebalanced. One fair value gap which was left to be rebalanced was this one, and this was my main target, or what I wanted to see New York do, the New York session do. This 1 hour gap. Now let's come down to the 15-minute time frame. We had a sweep of previous day high, an all-time high. Another factor which made me go bearish was the Asia standard deviations. So if we check the Asia standard deviations, the 2.5 level was coming right here, and price wicked the CE and it started moving on the opposite direction, so it was a sign for me to be bearish. Coming down to the 5-minute time frame, we had a really nice inverse of a gap here. We had this 5-minute fair value gap. So on the lower time frame, yeah, this was like a market structure shift. We had a fair value gap on the 5-minute. This also forms a breaker, a failed order block. Then, or if you just consider this an order block, we tapped the order block, we respected the order block, and my entry was this 5-minute gap right here, and I was targeting these equal lows, right, equal lows. This was our unfilled, and this was 5-minute IFVG. This was a 5-minute VG. Yeah, so that's the breakdown of what I took on the 6th of October 2025. Thank you guys.